Unlock a powerful revenue stream for your WordPress blog by mastering the art of paid link placements and advertising strategies. To begin, you'll need a reliable plugin that helps manage these paid link opportunities. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type in Paid Link Manager or a similar keyword. You'll find various plugins designed for this purpose. Look for one with good ratings and recent updates to ensure compatibility and security. Once you've chosen a suitable plugin, click Install Now, and after installation is complete, click Activate. This will add the plugin's functionality to your WordPress site. Now, let's configure the plugin. Go to the Plugins settings, typically found in your WordPress menu under its name here. You'll set up how you want to manage your paid links. You'll likely find options to create different categories for your paid links, such as sponsored posts, banner ads, or direct link placements. When creating a new link, you'll be able to define its price, a description, and any specific placement rules. When you're creating or editing a WordPress post or page, the plugin will add a new section. This is where you'll select or create the paid links you want to feature within that specific content. For transparency and to maintain audience trust, it's crucial to clearly label all paid link placements. Your plugin might offer options to automatically add disclosures, or you can manually add a disclaimer like sponsored content or advertisement. Most paid link management plugins offer basic analytics to track the performance of your paid links. You can monitor clicks, impressions, and the revenue generated, helping you optimize your monetization strategy. By implementing paid link strategies effectively and ethically, you can transform your WordPress content into a sustainable and profitable online business, diversifying your income and rewarding your hard work.